Add a modern look to your Expedition by swapping out your incandescent fog lights with this set of LED replacements from Diode Dynamics. This upgrade will have you noticing the difference immediately after installing these technologically advanced LED fog lights. Diode Dynamics LED lights are built right here in the USA and contain a much higher light output than cheap competitors. The bulbs range in color from 3000 to 6000 Kelvin and are completely street legal. Install these bulbs by twisting out the stock bulb and connector, then removing the halogen bulb from the connector itself. The new diode bulb will install the same way into the housing by lining up the tabs and twisting it a quarter turn to lock it in place. Then plug in the stock connector to the diode light and you are good to go. It's crazy how much brighter these Diode Dynamics lights are from the factory halogens. They even rival the headlights for how much more visibility you get from your Expedition. Check them out by clicking the link at the end of this video or head to stage3motorsports.com.